And finally, we get to quality management, which is the knowledge area defined as the main criteria for when it comes to determining the value of a project. The project at all times is required to meet the standards which were originally defined for it, and the bottom line is that the quality of the project has to meet the needs of the stakeholders. The quality we're talking about within a film and TV project is often referring to technical quality. This is because while a director is pursuing a single creative vision for the project, creative quality is a very subjective thing. While a finished project can be a positive, fulfilling experience for one audience, it may be absolutely hated by another audience. The stakeholders who help supervise the quality of a project can range, including SMEs in the form of subject consultants. These can be a variety of different people from a broad section of industries who will start as early as the script development and ideation process. They will serve by giving feedback on characters, scripts, and story to ensure that the reality depicted in the finished project is accurate and consistent. There's also the director of photography. The director of photography, one of our department heads, will serve as a form of quality assurance on the visual image being recorded, while other department heads such as production design or wardrobe will provide effort on the visual items used. The director of photography is ultimately the person who advises the director on what looks good or bad in frame, what should or shouldn't be included in the shot, and what's in or out of focus. In addition, there is the script supervisor. The script supervisor, one of the members of our project management team, is responsible for continuity, quality on set, and just general continuity of the visual frame. Basically, they track line readings of the actors as well as little changes in costumes and props that could result in huge changes in the finished film. One common example is if a character is wearing a blue shirt in one shot and a red shirt in another shot, and those shots are supposed to be connected. That is a huge quality problem that could take the viewers out of the reality of the movie. This is a very common problem because scenes are being shot hours apart or sometimes even weeks apart, and it's very common for inconsistent mistakes to be made over that period of time. Generally, there are 4 areas of quality that the script supervisor reviews, including acting continuity, costume continuity, prop continuity, and frame of reference, which is commonly called the 180-degree line. It should be noted that in addition to a noted script with continuity-specific markings, they also take a ton of pictures of set, wardrobe, and actor makeup. Anything that carries over from one shot to another. And finally, there is the quality control specialist. The quality control specialist is employed throughout various parts of the filmmaking process. These are highly trained post-production professionals, and they are used to review the captured dailies, edits, color-corrected footage, and finished deliverable films. During these review processes, they will actively review a wide variety of technical information, including is the sound too high or too low? Is the color accurate from shot to shot? Are there any physical markings or technical glitches in the image? And is the letterbox and aspect ratio consistent? Just a handful of some of the issues they track. And that concludes our talk today. I will now open it up to Q&A. Thank you so much for your time.